Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers DTC B1234, identified as a short circuit in the air mix control motor circuit, specifically for the driver's side, affecting models of the Honda CRV from 2017 to 2022. The air mix control motor is responsible for regulating the temperature of the air flowing into the cabin by adjusting the mix of hot and cold air. It primarily operates based on input from the vehicle's climate control system. This DTC is triggered when there is an electrical fault, often visualized in the DTC screen as BA2 or 41, which indicates whether the climate control panel has a display or not. Identifying and addressing this issue is critical for maintaining optimal comfort and vehicle reliability, especially given the dependence on precise climate control for passenger comfort. The air mix control motor plays a pivotal role in adjusting the temperature of air entering the cabin of the Honda CRV. It acts by mixing heated air from the engine compartment with cooler outside air. The motor is usually located in the dashboard area, closely associated with the climate control unit. When a DTC B1234 occurs, it reveals that there is an internal short circuit within the motor circuit, indicating potential issues with the motor itself or its wiring. This condition can affect passenger comfort significantly, causing improper heating or cooling. Therefore, pinpointing this error quickly is essential for correct diagnosis and repair. Several factors might lead to the DTC B1234 being displayed. Primarily, a short circuit within the air mix control motor circuit can trigger this DTC, indicating that the current is deviating from its intended path. This condition creates an electrical fault that prevents the motor from functioning correctly. Additionally, loose connections in the wiring harness can impede proper electrical flow, contributing further to malfunction. Furthermore, if there is an open circuit related to body ground in the power circuit, it can lead to similar faults, amplifying the issues presented by the DTC. Diagnosing these possible causes is critical for repairing the air mix control system effectively. The symptoms associated with DTC B1234 primarily manifest in the driver's ability to regulate cabin temperature effectively. Drivers may notice that the temperature is inconsistent, making it difficult to maintain a comfortable climate. In addition, the DTC indicator will light up on the dashboard, signaling that there is a fault within the system. Beyond just temperature regulation, other functions of climate control may fail to operate correctly, leading to a frustrating driving experience. These symptoms should prompt an immediate diagnostic review to restore the system back to optimal functioning. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1234 involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any stored DTCs. This is essential to start fresh when diagnosing the issue. After clearing, the vehicle should be turned to the off lock mode and then switched back to the on mode. Following this, a self-diagnostic function needs to be performed, either with an HDS tool or via the climate control unit itself. This process helps to identify whether the error persists by checking for any DTC displays afterward. If the same DTC reappears, it confirms a continual problem that must be addressed immediately. For the second troubleshooting step, ensure the vehicle is in the off lock mode before proceeding. The next action involves disconnecting the air mix control motor connector. It is crucial for accurate voltage measurement. Depending on whether the vehicle features dual zone control, the specific connector may vary. After disconnection, switch the vehicle to on mode to enable voltage measurement between the specified test points. This step aims to confirm whether the power supply circuit is functional by checking the voltage between the terminals of the air mix control motor and body ground. If approximately 5 volts is measured, it indicates that the S5V wire is operational, leading to the next troubleshooting step. Continuing with troubleshooting, the next step entails measuring voltage again under specific conditions to determine if the air mix control motor itself is malfunctioning. For this, the air mix control motor 5P connector must remain disconnected, and the vehicle should still be on. Voltage will be measured between different designated test points, this time between another set of terminals and body ground. If a voltage reading of around 5 volts is obtained, the motor or related components need replacement. This measurement strategy confirms whether the issue resides in the motor or in its wiring, aiding in precise diagnosis. The fourth step in the troubleshooting process involves measuring the voltage from the climate control unit to ensure that there is no open wire within the S5V line. By disconnecting the climate control unit connector and taking voltage readings at the specified test points, you can verify the integrity of the wiring. If about 5V is detected, it indicates a fault in the wiring that needs repair. If there is no voltage, it suggests that the S5V line does not have an open and indicates another troubleshooting avenue to explore, directing the technician to investigate further into wiring integrity. The fifth troubleshooting step focuses on identifying potential short circuits in the S5V wire by checking continuity. Start by turning the vehicle to the lock mode and disconnecting the climate control unit connector. Then, continuity must be checked between specified test points during this mode. If continuity exists, this indicates a partial short to ground within the wiring system, necessitating repair. If continuity does not exist, it may warrant the replacement of the climate control unit, as it could be the underlying source of the issue. This step is critical for ensuring the safety and reliability of the wiring system. Lastly, the sixth troubleshooting step aims to identify if there's a short circuit in the AMD PDR line. With the vehicle turned off, lock mode, disconnect the climate control unit connector and begin testing for continuity at specific points. Should continuity be found, it confirms another potential wiring issue that requires repair. However, if continuity is absent here, replacing the climate control unit becomes necessary. This final check completes the comprehensive troubleshooting approach needed to address DTC B1234 and provide a reliable solution to the identified problems. In the final repair verification stage, it is essential to ensure that all components have been meticulously reconnected following the troubleshooting process. Afterward, conduct final diagnostic tests with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to confirm that no additional DTCs remain present on the vehicle. This is crucial to ascertain that the air mix control motor, along with related components, is now operating correctly within specified parameters. By validating the system's operational efficiency, mechanics can assure the driver that corrective actions have effectively solved the DTC B1234 issue, securing a reliable and comfortable driving experience. Preventive maintenance is key to ensuring the longevity of the air mix control motor and overall climate control system. Regular inspections of wiring connections can preemptively identify any wear or damage that may lead to future DTCs. It's also wise to routinely check the functionality of the air mix control motor, making sure it operates effectively within its designed parameters. Lastly, maintaining the climate control unit is vital, as it greatly influences system performance. Implementing these preventive measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of DTC B1234 reoccurrence, promoting a consistently comfortable driving environment. In conclusion, DTC B1234 describes a vital fault concerning the air mix control motor circuit affecting the Honda CRV from 2017 to 2022. Identifying the exact cause requires thorough testing, including checking for shorts, open wires, and ensuring component functionality post-repair. Each troubleshooting step builds upon the previous one, ensuring an efficient path to resolution. Additionally, implementing preventive measures can help avoid similar issues in the future, ensuring that both the electronic and operational integrity of the climate control system remains intact. Lastly, consistent monitoring and maintenance can lead to a better driving experience with fewer disruptions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!